Good morning, everybody. It's Phil with OuterBanksThisWeek.com. It's the start of another beautiful week here on the Outer Banks, and I hope all of you are doing well, because currently I am on the struggle bus. No, I am not hungover. I am getting my butt kicked by the amount of pollen that is down here on the Outer Banks currently. I don't know how it is where you guys are, but right now it has been really strong here on the Outer Banks. We did get some relief at the end of last week where we had a heavy storm come through and knock down some of that pollen. And we're going to see the same thing again this week. On Thursday, we've got a 100% chance of rain, so hopefully that'll knock down the pollen. It'll be the end of it for the season. But currently, it's 55 degrees out, and we're going to see highs right around 70 degrees today. The wind is blowing right around 15 miles per hour or so, and tomorrow we're going to see a significant change in weather as the high is only going to be about 50 degrees, but then it'll warm up a little bit on the rest of the week as we're going to see highs in the mid 50s all the way up into the mid 60s. But if you're going to be on the Outer Banks this week, don't miss a thing. Check out OuterBanksThisWeek.com for all the events and activities happening up and down the Outer Banks. Well, that's what I got for you this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again next week.
OuterBanksThisWeek.com. Don't miss a thing.